Hello friends, my name is Deepak Goyal. Welcome to our channel. Today we will solve the problem power x comma n. So simply we have given a two variable x and n and we have to return x raised to power n. You can see in this example we have given a x is 2 and n is 10 and we have to return x raised to power 10 which is 2 raised to power 10 that is equal to 1024. So in next example we have given x is 2.1 and n is 3 and we have to return 2.1 raised to power 3 that is this. And n can be negative. So simply uh, what we will do by using STL, I can easily solve it in one line. Return power of x comma n. Let's submit it. Yeah, it is accepted. Let's submit. Yeah, it is submitted. If this question is asked in your interview, then interviewer will definitely say, please solve this without using STL. Then you should also be able to do this without using STL. So let's see another approach. Basically, we have to return x raised to power n. Means simply we have to multiply x n times. That's it. So what I will do, I will run a for loop for n times and multiply x by n times. That's it. So let's see. Uh, I will run a for loop for n times int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. First of all, basically I will define our answer. Double answer equal to 1 and I will multiply answer is equal to answer into x. That's it. But mm, our n can be negative. So in that case, uh, we have to return like if n is minus 2, then we have to divide answer in 1. So what I will do if uh, n is negative, then my answer is equal to 1 divided by answer. And int num equal to n if uh, if num is negative, then I will make it positive. Num equal to minus 1 multiplied by num because we are running a for loop for n times. If it is negative, then uh, it will run infinite times. So after this, I will return simply answer. Let's see. Yeah, it is accepted, but it will showing you time limit exceed because here n the range of n is int max to int min. So when I was solving this, this approach is showing me time limit exceed. So we have to solve this question by another approach. So what I will do, we have to modify this. So what I will do that I have given a 2 and n. I have to return 2 raised to power n. So in this approach, uh, I am multiplying 2 by 10 times. But I so I can say 2 raised to power 10 is 4 raised to power 5. But now I cannot further divide it because n is odd. If let's suppose it is 4 raised to power 4, then I can say 4 raised to power 4 is 16 raised to power 2, or I can say 16 raised to power 2 is 256 raised to power 1. So what I will do, I will run a while loop until n is greater than 0. Then I will check if n is even, then I will reduce n by a factor of 2 and multiply x by x. And if n is odd, then I cannot further divide it. So I will try to convert n into even. So what I will do, I will declare an answer. So in which I will multiply answer by x and reduce n by 1. So in this way we can convert n into even. So further we can divide n by a factor of 2 and multiply x by x and so on. So let's code it. So first we will declare an answer. Double answer equal to 1. Then we will run a while loop while n is greater than 0. Then we will check if n modulo 2 equal to 0, then it means n is even. Then we can say x equal to x into x and n equal to n by 2. Else it means n is odd. Then we will do answer equal to answer into x and n equal to n minus 1. This is. So let's see in this example x is to n is 10. So first we will come in if part because n is even. So now our x become 2 into 2, that is 4, and become 5. So now x is 4 and n is 5. So now in next iteration we will come in else part because now n is odd. So our answer is answer into x, that is answer equal to answer into 4, means answer is 4 and n is n minus 1, that is 4. So now it become our x is 4 and n is 4. So now in next iteration we will come into if part. So now our x become 16 because 4 into 4 is 16 and n become 2. Now again we will come in if part because now n is even. So our x becomes 16 into 16, that is 256, and n become 1. Now in next iteration we will come in else part. Our answer is 4 and our x is 256. So our answer equal to 4 into 256, that is 1024, and n becomes 0. So now our this condition become false. We will come outside the while loop and simply return answer. Um, yeah, we forgot one condition if n is even. So what I will do, uh, if n is negative, then our answer equal to 1 by answer. And here first uh, int and number equal to n if our number is negative, then our number is equal to minus 1 multiplied by number. We will make it positive. So here num is come number. So now let's run it. Yeah, it is accepted. Let's submit it. It is showing me runtime error. Let's see what happened. X equal to 1.000 and n equal to this. So we have to take num as a long, not int. If we take long, then it is accepted and it is submitted successfully. Why it is showing us runtime error when we are taking int? Because you can see in constraint the range of n is minus 2 raised to power 31 to positive 2 raised to power 31 minus 1. Let's suppose if n is int min, that is minus 2 raised to power 31, and we are converting into positive, but then it is not in range because range of n is 2 raised to power 31 minus 1 minus 2 raised to power 31 is not in range of int. So that's why it is showing us runtime error. So we have to take long, and yeah, it is submitted successfully. And time complexity of this code is log of n, because every time mm, we are reduced num by a factor of 2. So time complexity will be log n, and space complexity is big O of 1. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.